The strongest visual stories keep the viewer moving through the design without confusion. Today, how to create guided narrative frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Start with a soft gray background and apply a subtle gradient for depth. Insert 5 rectangular frames and arrange them in a smooth flowing sequence. Upload your images and place them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully so the narrative develops naturally. Increase the size of the middle frame slightly to create a focal point. Add thin connecting lines between frames and reduce their opacity to keep them understated. Apply soft shadows and lower blur